I don't care if you disagree with me, if you don't want to hear, but what I'm about to say is straight facts. So if you're too sensitive, don't want to hear it, then just keep on scrolling. Most of these crypto projects are gonna fail and they're going to zero. The reality is they're all startup companies. Asking ChatGPT, what is the success rate of a blockchain startup company? Estimates for the failure rate of a startup can range from 50 to 90%, but I still invest them and I still trade them. Why? Because there's still money to be made. A fire emoji, because AI cryptos have been doing amazing. So how much money would you have made if you invest in the top AI big data related crypto project? Within the last year, Near Protocol, over 200%, meaning you would have doubled your investment. Within the last year, almost 10x investment. Your 10K would have been 100K. Within the last year, with Render, almost 500%, meaning you would have 5x your money. Yes, a lot of these AI crypto projects probably won't last. So within this bull market, there's so much money that could have been made with them. Even if they might fail, take advantage of what's on the table, the current hype, the opportunity to achieve your financial goals. So don't get married to any crypto project. Just remember to take profits. I'm not a crypto hater. I actually love crypto, and I think crypto projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum are going to be here for a very, very, very long time. But a lot of these questionable, speculative crypto projects, when I'm up a lot on my investment, I always take profit. That mindset has always served me well because you don't really know what's going to happen with those crypto projects. I think blockchain technology is here, it's changing the world, and it's going to be here for a very long time as well. If you have any crypto questions, you already know what to do.